Welcome back to another grocery chat. Ooh. Okay, people, let's try and make this short and sweet. This is hashtag Grocery Chats collaboration. And today I'm just sharing some more stuff that I purchased. And it's food and ingredients, food ingredients, and some veggies and some I call my yams fruit and the avocados fruit. I got some onions back there. I got some sweet onions. Who is this? Sam's, Walmart, and maybe even a little Target. So I got some sweet onions back there. About to use some of those in my meatloaf. We have meatloaf, some rice, maybe some cornbread. I know I'm making candy yams because I love eating candy yams with meatloaf. Yeah, I love the combination of the savory and the sweet, mouth-watering. Now, as I tell you this, love that tomatoey gravy on the meatloaf that I'm going to be doing. Sorry, I know folks would love to see when people talk about food, they want to see it being made. But I have cooked meals before and done blah, blah, blah. But this time, no, I ain't sharing. I did make some biscuits previous that I should be doing my biscuits because I got a little playlist for, you know, making biscuits. And my family been tearing them up. No more rocks for Miss Janita. And okay, what else I got? Some beans. I got some navy beans, couple of bags. That I plan on cooking some oxtails and beans, some kind of white beans and oxtails in my crock pot. Ooh, my mouth is watering. I can't wait. Overnight crock pot cooking oxtails and white beans. So you see I got some large lima beans. Got the navy beans. Ooh, I still ain't got my pig feet because that would go so good in them white navy beans. Pig feet. I know I used to eat that in my 20s. I ain't had pig feet in a while. And I did enjoy in my 20s that sticky, savory flesh of pig feet. Some people ain't with it, but shit, that stuff was good. I don't know why a pig, a hog, a sow, you call it what, a sow or so? Whatever, the adult pig. It's so good, so good. I guess I don't know. But ham hocks good. Ham is good. Pork chops good. Ribs. I don't know what y'all talk about. God wouldn't provided an animal with all such flavorful flesh. I don't know. This is crazy, but I love animals. I feel bad that we had to eat them and stuff like that, but it's good. So hey, I don't know. But yeah. Let me move on because I didn't got caught up in a subject I didn't have no business being in. Okay, let me move on. But anyway, I still haven't got my pig yet. Feet. Okay, let me see. Now y'all know I stopped eating chitlins because I couldn't get over that smell and thinking that smell is related to SHIT. And yes, I used to really enjoy eating chitlins, but I don't know, maybe somebody had some really clean chitlins back in the day because I don't recall them smelling and tasting like, oh. Okay, I'm through with the chitlin talk too, but chitlins can be good with some hot sauce, but I can't get over that, what it really is now that I really understand about chitlins. And I know the holidays coming up and folks gonna be eating some chitlins Thanksgiving, and during the holidays they're gonna be tearing up some chitlins. But anyway, okay, let me move on. What I was talking about? Oh, I got some honey buns back there. It's 2 boxes of those. Now that did come from Sam's. And the Lipton's secret recipes came from Sam's. This baking powder came from Walmart. I got some self-rising flour. I got a few bags of red kidney beans, because that's going to be good with some red beans and rice. And I got the avocados. So I just wanted to share this grocery haul with y'all today. And just come in here and holler at you. Now, let me see. It ain't but 2 people in this collab. That's myself and Pat. I'm going to share her channel. This her channel. She also has a gardening channel. So y'all go check out her channels. Support her, please, as well as supporting myself and others that, you support these dang content creators. And say hello to your visitors. They'll love all that when you say something back to them. So don't forget that. And yep, the collab is over. I mean, the not the collab, the the gift card giveaway did end. I believe that was on the 3rd. Like on my crafting channel, here it is. See, and on my gardening channel, see, here it is. Okay, now on my gardening channel, I do have a collab. If y'all anybody is interested, that's on Saturday. On my crafting channel, I got one on Thursday and Monday. Monday, you just decorating your skill, using your decorating skills on tier trays and stuff. And on Thursday, that's when you do the puzzle. You be putting your puzzle together and stuff like that. Everybody is welcome. Come through if you want to come through. Other than that, Mrs. Anita gonna keep on doing what I do because I really enjoy those are things I like. I'm interested in. Well, anyway, like I said, this is what this channel is all about. Sharing, uplifting, inspiring, trying to lift your spirit. It does spirit boosting, okay? Okay? But anyway, don't forget about my crafting channel because over there, I am about to clear my crafting table off so I can come on live and read some of my stories. But I ain't gonna be doing too much story sharing because I need to do what I need to do before I create a book for somebody else. But anyway, I am about to clear my crafting channel off, y'all. Like my craft channel. Soon you're gonna be seeing me on there doing something. It ain't gonna be too long or nothing, but I don't know if y'all remember my reindeer story, then the granny story, and then there's the rebel characters. All kind of stuff going on. I am enjoying the heck out of that. But anyway, this is the grocery channel, which I share my groceries and share some goings-ons and what's happening. Like over there at Pat channel, she didn't share grocery, but she shared some information about food and stuff that was very helpful and useful. That's why I say y'all going over there and check out her channel like I shared her channel information earlier in this video. So you ain't got necessarily have to do no grocery. You could talk about your food experiences, recipes, stuff related to food, things like that. And if you do have a grocery haul, share that too. But I'm gonna let y'all go because I didn't want to make this too long. But it might be 1 and 2, part 1, part 2. I don't know. And I still got to finish doing my craft hauls. And shoot, I got plenty of food haul, but I'll do what I do. Take my time. What's the rush? Because I ain't getting paid for this. I'm just getting paid. The satisfaction is from me enjoying what I'm doing, my crafts, my hobbies, my interests. Later, y'all. Goodbye for now. I'll see you on the next grocery chat.